Midnight mayhem, mob violence in Kolkata. Thugs hijacked protests for justice for Abhaya.
We can see ruckus on the streets of Kolkata. We are currently at the epicenter of all violence. We can see huge police forces. They are trying to push back. Rapid action forces have been summoned and tear gas cells are being thrown.
Late night vandalism at the crime spot hospital. Doctors, patients attacked, wards ransacked.
प्रश्न उठता है कि किसने ये वैंडलाइजेशन की ड्राइव चलाई और जो हॉस्पिटल की इमरजेंसी है वो इमरजेंसी गेट पूरी खराब हो गई.
India Today cameras capture the late night chaos. Reclaim the night protests infiltrated by miscreants. Ugly Kolkata street clash is our top focus on the broadcast.
Hello there, very good evening. We're coming to you live from the RJ Kar Hospital right here in Kolkata. Heavy police bandobast here, as you can see in these pictures right now. We'll be getting you up to speed with all the details up ahead on the show as to where the investigations are headed. First, listen in to what the Chief Minister of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, has had to say after meeting the governor.
তাও আমরা কাল দেখেছি. আমার কথা হচ্ছে মৃত্যুটা খুবই বেদনাদায়ক, তার পরিবারের প্রতি আমার পুরো সমবেদনা আছে. আমি কেন, আমাদের বাংলার সকলের, সারা দেশের সকলের. কখনো কখনো একাত্রা ঘটনা ঘটে যায়, এটা একটা সামাজিক ব্যাধি এবং এরা সমাজের শত্রু, এরা কেউ বন্ধু নয়. সেই জিনিসটাকে আমরা কখনো সমর্থন করি না, করতে পারি না. কালকে উত্তরপ্রদেশেও সেম জিনিস ঘটেছে.
Some political party
একটা দলিত
workers,
মেয়ের উপরে তার দুদিন আগে মধ্যপ্রদেশেও ঘটেছে.
left and
এর আগে আপনারা দেখেছেন
Ram have done this. So Mamata Banerjee blamed the BJP and left parties for last night truckers.
এরকম অনেক কেস, উন্নাও থেকে শুরু করে সব জীবন্ত জ্বালিয়ে দেওয়া হয়েছে. এই কেসগুলো আমি মনে করি যারা করেন, ইটস এ বিগ অ্যান্ড বিগ, কি বলবো আমি জানি না, এক্সট্রা অর্ডিনারি ক্রিমিনাল. ইটস এ ক্রাইম, বিগ ক্রাইম.
What I believe, when any atrocities against women happen, be it in Unnao or in Hathras, I expect a strongest action would be taken against criminals related to atrocities against women, violence against women.
নিরপরাধী যেন না পায়.
I want the original criminal should be punished.
যে সাক্ষী দিয়েছিল সে স্বীকার করছে যে আমার পাপ হচ্ছে, আমাকে দিয়ে তখন জোর করে বলানো হয়েছিল. এই দিকটা আমরা যেন লক্ষ্য রাখি, দোষীরা শাস্তি পায় কিন্তু কোনো নিরপরাধীকে যেন এই শাস্তি পেতে না হয়. যে ডাক্তার,
We want perpetrators should be punished, but we don't want any innocent being punished.
নিয়ম. আমাদের পুলিশও প্রায় 34 জনকে ডেকেছিল, বাদবাকি আরো কিছু ডাকার কথা ছিল. আমাদের টাইম ছিল রবিবার পর্যন্ত.
Our police were summoned at least 34 people related to this investigation. If needed, there will be people who will be summoned by central agencies as well.
ঘটনা ঘটেছে শুক্রবার.
I went to the victim family last Monday.
তার আগে কোর্ট অর্ডার দিয়ে দিয়েছে, আমাদের কোনো আপত্তি নেই.
The Kolkata police were given time till Saturday.
এবং আমি মনে করি যে কোর্ট 2-3টে কথা বলেছে. তার মধ্যে সিবিআই যেমন বলেছে, সাথে সাথে এটাও বলেছে যে আমি চাই যে যারা
court has raised 2 or 3 things. One, the court has ordered for CBI probe into this matter.
আমিও পাবলিকলি অনেকবার অনুরোধ জানিয়েছি যতটা সম্ভব. যে ক্ষতি হয়েছে কালকে আরজি করে, যারা এই তাণ্ডব করেছে তারা কিন্তু ছাত্র আন্দোলনের সাথে, এই আরজি করে ছাত্র আন্দোলনের সাথে যুক্ত নয়, তারা আউটসাইডার আমার যতদূর মনে হয়.
Those who
আমি
created
যতটুকু
ruckus
ভিডিও দেখতে পেয়েছি,
late last night at Arjikar
কারো হাতে
Medical
নিশ্চয়ই
College and
তারা
Hospital,
হচ্ছে BJP,
they were not
আর কারো হাতে
associated
DYP
with the
সাদা লাল
students' movement and
আমার
junior
কাছে 3টে
doctors'
ভিডিও আছে,
protest.
দেখেছি। কালকে পুলিশকে যেভাবে আক্রমণ করা হয়েছে,
I have 3 of
আমাদের
their
একজন
videos.
ডিসি যিনি নিরাপত্তার জন্য ওখানে ছিলেন, আমার দুজন ওসিও ছিলেন, 1 ঘন্টা তাকে খুঁজে পাওয়া যায়নি, আনকনসাস অবস্থায় তাকে উদ্ধার করা হয়।
One of
তখন
our
তার মাথা
deputy
থেকে
commissioner were missing for over
চোখ
1
মানে
hour
চুষে চুষে
late
রক্ত
last night when ruckus went on
তাকে আমি
at
সঙ্গে সঙ্গে
Arjikar
রাত
Medical
3টে
College and
আমি
Hospitals.
পুলিশকে বলি ওকে অ্যাপেলেতে নিয়ে যাওয়ার জন্য, কারণ ব্রেন স্ক্যান ট্যান করতে হবে, আর এটা অনেক সময় মাথায় আঘাত পড়লে কোমা টোমাতে চলে যায়।
He was severely injured. I ordered to take him to a private hospital in Kolkata at around 3
কিন্তু আমি
last
একটা
night.
সাধুবাদ তাদের দেবো, তারা ধৈর্য হারায় না। এত তাণ্ডব দেখেও তারা সহ্যের সীমা হারায়নি, তারা শান্তির জন্য কাউকে আঘাত করেনি, এটা ভালো।
I would appreciate the action were taken by our police department. They did not lose their temper. They did not hit back when violence went on last night.
আন্দোলনের সীমা যারা আন্দোলন করে তাদের নজরে রাখতে হয়। আমি ছোটবেলা থেকে আন্দোলন করেই জন্মেছি, আন্দোলন করেই বড় হয়েছি। আমরা কোনোদিন হসপিটালের ভেতরে গিয়ে সব তাণ্ডব করিনি, ফায়ার ব্রিগেডে গিয়ে এসব করিনি, এসব মাথায় রাখবেন।
Protesters should
দীর্ঘদিন দাঙ্গার সময়
should know how
রাজনীতি
to
করিনি,
limit
তাদের মধ্যে
themselves.
ধ্বংসের সময় আমি নিজে
Because
তখন
I am a
রাজনীতি
street
কেউ
fighter,
বলেছিল,
I had
আমি নিজে
past of
সাহায্য
of
করতে।
protesting
কারণ সেই কথা
during
আমি একা
several
রাস্তায় ছিলাম,
times.
আর কেউ ছিল না। আর তখন একদিন শুধু 4-5 দিন বাদে মাদার
I
টেরেসার সাথে
come
আমার
from
একটা
a
দেখা
humble
হয়েছিল।
background and with a
লড়েছি
history
সেখানে
of protests.
একটা স্কুলে, সেখানে হঠাৎ করে দেখা হয়ে গেল, কারণ আমি রিলিফ দিতে গিয়েছি। তাছাড়া কেউ সেদিন রাস্তায় ছিল না। 7-8 দিন দাঙ্গায় প্রচুর মানুষ মারা গিয়েছে, এবং আজও আমি আপনাদের বলি অনেক পরিষেবা না পেয়ে ফিরে যাচ্ছে গ্রামের গরিব লোকগুলো, তাদের ক্ষমতা নেই, তারা বিনা পয়সায়
Many
হাসপাতালে
poor
চিকিৎসা পায়।
villages are
স্বাস্থ্যসাথী কার্ড
going back to their villages, not getting any medical facilities at state-run hospital in last couple of days.
বিনা চিকিৎসায় চিকিৎসা দেওয়া হয়নি, কিন্তু তা সত্ত্বেও কিছু জুনিয়র ডাক্তার এবং অনেক
Even
সিনিয়র
some
প্রফেসর
pregnant women
তারা
and ill children did not get medicines and treatments at hospitals due to this protest in last couple of days.
আর বাদ বাকি যারা ধর্মঘটে এখনো আছেন সবটাই তো মেনে নেওয়া হয়েছে, অত কিছু বাকি নেই। আর এখন তো আমাদের হাতেও কেসটা নেই, কেসটা তো সিবিআই এর হাতে। আপনাদের কিছু বলার থাকলে আপনারা সিবিআই কে গিয়ে বলুন, আমার কোনো আপত্তি নেই, কোর্টকে গিয়ে বলুন।
I would try to tell those are on protest till now. There's all of their demands have been made. Now the case is with the CBI.
মেশিনগুলো লোপাট করা হয়েছে, এবং যত ইনফ্রাস্ট্রাকচার, ইকুইপমেন্টস, ইনজেকশন থেকে শুরু করে যা যা লাগে টোটালটাই ধ্বংস করে
The
দিয়েছে।
entire emergency building was
আমি শুনেছি এটা
destroyed yesterday. Medicines, emergency medicines were destroyed yesterday during ruckus.
ইনফ্রাস্ট্রাকচার নষ্ট করা হয়েছে। নতুন করে আবার হবে কিনা আমি জানি না, কারণ এগুলো করতে এত মেটেরিয়ালস রাখতে এই
It was a
হসপিটালগুলোতে
loss
আমাদের
to
প্রচুর
our
medicine,
hospital infrastructure.
প্রচুর স্যালাইন থাকে,
I am
প্রচুর অক্সিজেন
concerned
থাকে,
how far I will be able
প্রচুর
to
CCTV
rebuild
থাকে,
those
প্রচুর
infrastructures
injection থাকে,
at Arjikar Medical College
আরো
and
নানা
Hospital.
রকম জিনিস, এমআরআই থেকে শুরু করে স্ক্যান থেকে শুরু করে অনেক কিছু থাকে। এবং আজকে আমি শুনলাম 2-1 জন পরিবার বলেছেন যে আমরা এখানে পেশেন্ট
This emergency ward had MRI machines, injections, and many medicines.
সেটা তাদের
Those were destroyed by unruly mob.
আমার কোনো বক্তব্য নেই। আমরা চেষ্টা করব যদি তিনি কোনো হাসপাতালে শিফট করতে চান, আমরা
Raising
নিশ্চয়ই তাকে সাহায্য করব।
voices and
এটা মানবিক ব্যাপার,
protesting is a right, and they have every right to protest.
পুলিশের ড্রেস পুড়িয়ে দেওয়া হয়েছে, পুলিশের মাথা ফাটিয়ে দেওয়া হয়েছে, পুলিশকে জঘন্যভাবে আক্রমণ করা হয়েছে।
Police
আমরা কি
were
একবার
attacked,
ভাবি
some of
দুর্গাপুরের
our
সময়
cops were
নিরাপত্তা দেয় কারা?
injured, had head
কারা দেয়?
injuries.
কলকাতা পুলিশ দেয়,
Their
স্টেট পুলিশ
uniforms
দেয়।
were set on fire even.
খেলা থেকে শুরু করে রাস্তার জ্যাম থেকে শুরু করে সাংস্কৃতিক অনুষ্ঠান থেকে শুরু করে চলচ্চিত্রের শুটিং থেকে শুরু করে
It's shocking when police
সব ব্যাপারেই
give
এই রাজ্য
services
পুলিশই
to
কাজ
the
করে,
citizen
কলকাতা পুলিশই কাজ
and
করে।
they manages to traffic
তাদের মাধ্যমে
in the
ব্যাপারটা
entire
তারা তো কিছু
city.
করেনি।
They
তারা তো
are
যতটা
on
চেষ্টা করে DNA
several
করেছে,
social work
তারা
helping
ভিডিও করেছে,
citizens and
তারা
now
forensic
they are being
test করিয়েছে,
targeted.
জুডিশিয়াল ম্যাজিস্ট্রেটকে নিয়ে এসছে, যা যা করেছে
They did
34 জনকে
everything.
ডেকে কথা বলেছে,
They did
আরো কয়েকজনকে ডেকে
videograph
কথা বলার জন্য
after
ওদের
the
হাতে
crime
তৎকালীন ছিল।
happened. The
তাছাড়াও
forensic team
বারবার
was
করে সবকিছু
on their investigations with regard to this horrific
In fact, Mamata Banerjee, the West Bengal Chief Minister, speaking about it and pinning the blame on the left and the Bharatiya Janata Party there. We have, in fact, more news coming in at this point in time. Let's take a look. All right, now the Kolkata police has released these pictures on Facebook essentially of those people who caused the destruction at the RG Car Emergency Center last night. These are pictures on your screens right now that have now been released by the Kolkata police. They circle these images essentially of the accused here of who the Kolkata police believes are the people who are in fact behind the violence and the vandalism that was seen at the RG Car Hospital, from where I am coming to you live from at this point in time now. Pictures released, and the Kolkata police has said that these are the people who were behind the vandalism and hooliganism at the RG Car Emergency Center. But almost 24 hours on, no idea or no clues really as to who could be behind it. Yes, there is political blame game which has erupted, with the TMC blaming the BJP and the left, and the Congress and the BJP essentially blaming the Trinamool Congress, saying that these were gundas that were sent by the Trinamool Congress. Here, the Congress has also hit out at the TMC, interestingly. But these pictures have been released by, in fact, the Trinamool, by the Kolkata police here, saying that these are the people who were behind the violence, essentially, who were behind the vandalism in Kolkata at the RG Car Medical Center, the emergency unit last night. All right, now what started as peaceful protests in the city of Kolkata and many other places then erupted into a huge fight. But how did it happen? Doctors say they weren't behind this. The vandalism that was seen at the hospital, and though the blame game is certainly on, but the fact of the matter is that the premises of the emergency ward of the RG Car Medical Center was completely ruined. It was being ransacked, completely destroyed. Equipment, medical equipment worth crores of rupees, hospital facilities have been destroyed. There have been not a single arrest that has been made so far, but we were here reporting late last night from the ground, giving you the actual picture, the accurate picture of what exactly happened at that moment past midnight. Take a look at these reports.
Just a little after the stroke of midnight, a mob runs right amidst peaceful protests demanding justice for Abhaya in Kolkata. What unfolded next was sheer chaos and mayhem at the RG Car Hospital, the spot of the horrific alleged gang rape and murder of a young trainee lady doctor. Storming into the hospital, a group of miscreants began by thrashing the doctors at the protest site. Then they ransacked the emergency ward. The mob vandalized the medical facility.
आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर तोड़फोड़ के निशान। कुछ देर पहले गुस्साए भीड़ इस अस्पताल के अंदर आकर जो इमरजेंसी वार्ड है उसको बिल्कुल तहस नहस कर दिया गया है।
Doctors and patients were attacked. The emergency ward ransacked. The protest quickly took an ugly turn.
इस वक्त लगातार अफरा तफरी का माहौल है। आप देख सकते हैं कि पुलिस की तरफ से लगातार जो है देखा जा रहा है। अफरा तफरी का माहौल है आरजी कौर मेडिकल कॉलेज के बाहर। बिल्कुल अफरा तफरी का माहौल, हजारों के तादाद पर लोग जो है
The police used tear gas and lathi charge to disperse the mob.
पत्थर मारा जा रहा है, टीयर गैस मारा जा रहा है और इस वक्त सब जगह से चारों तरफ से 360 डिग्री एंगल से मॉब की हमला चल रही है। यहाँ पे देखिए तोड़ फोड़ क्या हुआ है, पत्थर यहाँ पे गिरे हुए हैं। जो बैरिकेड्स थे, बैरिकेड्स भी उलट पुलट हो चुके हैं। किसने किया ये अभी तक किसी को नहीं पता।
The thugs left no stone unturned, from broken chairs, tables and windows to books and papers ripped apart. This is the aftermath at the emergency ward.
RG Kar Medical Center that has now been completely vandalized, as you can take a look in these pictures. These are beds for the patients when they are brought to the hospital. Now, not just the emergency center. If you go right inside with me, you'll take a look at these pictures, speaking volumes of how all hell really broke loose right here at this center.
The mob attack conspiracy unmasked by hospital staff members.
12:15 बजे देखा ये पुलिस लोग अंदर साइड हो रहा है और जो एक मॉब जो था घुस कर अंदर घुसा है। उसका एक ही टारगेट था जे वो ये जो शांतिपूर्ण अवस्थान हो रहा है 5-6 दिन से वो ध्वंस कर।
अचानक भीड़ जो है कहाँ से आया पता नहीं, वो हाफ पैंट सांडे गंजी पहन के कुछ भीड़ लोग आए थे और तोड़फोड़ कर चला गया।
The victim's family labeled the mob rampage a desperate cover-up bid.
रात को बहुत यहाँ पर वैंडलिज्म हुआ इस अस्पताल के अंदर। क्या बोलना चाहेंगे, आपको ये क्यों हुआ, आपको क्यों ऐसा लग रहा है?
वो सब एविडेंस हटाने की मतलब साजिश है और कुछ नहीं है।
Was this an attempt to hijack the protest for justice, or was this a sinister attempt to destroy the crime scene of Abhaya's brutal alleged gang rape and murder? Bureau Report, India Today.
All right, in fact, take a look at these pictures first before we put out our ground reports for our viewers. Heavy police bandobast here for our viewers. These are, in fact, Kolkata police who have increased their presence right here. Just at night, there was vandalism that was seen, and I think the police here not wanting to take any chances after they face a lot of backlash for being unable to control the situation last night that led to complete destruction of the emergency ward of the RG Kar Medical Center here right now where I am. Let's take a look now at these reports that we'd sent in earlier. These aren't just medical students who are protesting against the administration and against the horrific crime that has taken place at the RG Kar Hospital where we are right now. These are ordinary citizens of West Bengal, of Calcutta, the young people who are out on the streets demanding justice.
Calling this Nirbhaya case too. This is not Nirbhaya. Nirbhaya, Tilottama, Moumita. Next it can be me or you. So protest against it. Rise against. Fashi chai, fashi.
Demanding death penalty for the guilty here. These are protesters who are out on the streets.
আন্দোলনকারীরা ঢুকে পড়েছেন ভিতরে এবং তারা কিন্তু একেবারে সরাসরি লড়াই চালাচ্ছেন এবং
Right outside the RG Kar Hospital in Kolkata, where we're coming from you, this is what remains of essentially the emergency ward, where there was in fact a lot of vandalism that was seen just some time ago. Pictures are of destruction right here, where a mob essentially took over these protests, is what is being said, hijacked the protest. That's what the doctors here are saying, that this was completely taken over by a mob that had come with the intention to create problems, because the doctors were protesting peacefully, is what is being said. Essentially, doctors here say the attempt is to hijack this movement, hijack the demands that they have been making, seeking justice for the victim of the rape here. This is the emergency ward of the RG Kar Hospital, where we are coming to you from right now. And like you can see, tear gas also was in fact used by the authorities, by the administration just a few moments ago. Pictures of complete vandalism, where the mob essentially has run completely amok here, as you can see in these pictures right now. Look at these pictures of the emergency ward where we are right now, and it's completely vandalized. The situation, at least for the time being, is under control, but there was a mob that came here with the intention, the doctors here are saying, the protesting doctors are saying, to hijack this particular protest and to in fact give a bad name to this particular protest, is what the doctors essentially are indicating. Take a look at these pictures of complete vandalism. This at some point in time was functioning as the emergency ward of the hospital. This was the admission counter, as you can see, and this was the emergency ward, but this is what remains of it right now after the mob destroyed this entire area. Here essentially what is being said is that this attempt was to give a bad name to these protests. Take a look at these pictures right now. This was the emergency ward. There are beds here, the saline machines, equipment, and also, as you can see, what is required in an emergency center of a hospital. But this stands completely destroyed at this point in time right now. Take a look at these pictures. This is what remains of the emergency ward of the RG Kar Hospital, where we are right now. It's completely vandalized, as you can see in these pictures. This is a nurse's station, but look at how it looks at this point in time. This was a fridge. If I can ask Sanjay to come in. This was a fridge where there was in fact medicines. All of these are medicines that are required. But look at what remains of it right now. The fridge has been turned upside down, as you can see in these pictures. These are regular things required in a hospital setup, and all of this has now been completely destroyed. This is how the RG Kar Medical Hospital, the emergency center, looks like at this point in time now. Look at these pictures. It's completely destroyed. This is the police staff room. If I can ask Sanjay to just come in and take a look, show our viewers. These are pictures of the police staff room here of the hospital. A mob essentially came in, and what it appears is that the attempt was to clearly vandalize and hijack these protests right here at the RG Kar emergency center right now, where we are. These are pictures in fact from the RG Kar Medical Center, which has now completely been ransacked. These are pictures of vandalism that we're getting for our viewers. This is how the storeroom essentially looks like right now. If I could ask Sanjay to show you these pictures. Eyewitness accounts here indicate to us and tell us that about 4,000 to 5,000 people surrounded this entire area, and this is what it has led to. Take a look at these pictures. This fridge that is used to store medicines has been completely broken. This is a storeroom really of the emergency center of the hospital that you see in these pictures. Take a look at this place where the patients are in fact kept. Once they are brought to the emergency center, there are patients who are in fact brought right here. Pictures are coming in from the RG Kar Medical Center that has now been completely vandalized, as you can take a look in these pictures. These are beds for the patients when they are brought to the hospital. Now, not just the emergency center. If you go right inside, where we will take you at this point in time, I'm just going to ask Sanjay to come along with me. You'll take a look at these pictures, speaking volumes of how all hell really broke loose right here at this center. Now, one would imagine that there is, in fact, there is some amount of security in a hospital and in the medical center and in emergency ward. So this is a police barrack right here. Take a look at these pictures. But this is how it looks like at this point in time now. So there was vandalism right here also, as you can see in these pictures. Take a look at these pictures coming in. So these are officers on duty. Take a look at these pictures. This is where they put up, but they obviously do not want to speak with us at this point in time right here. Pictures of vandalism from the police barrack, mind you. Police barrack has been left completely destroyed. This appears to be the office here, right here. Look at the condition of what remains of the office, where attempts were made to, in fact, stop the mob, but things went completely out of hand, leading to this trail of destruction that we are seeing at this point in time. Speaking volumes of what the police was doing at that point in time and whether they did not have this kind of intelligence that was required to stop a situation like this, knowing very well that there are going to be protests. Did they not then foresee the situation? I'll just ask Sanjay to follow me. We're going right inside the hospital once again to gauge how it looks like. It's been vandalized completely. These are helmets. This is the keyboard of a computer, and these are helmets presumably of the security officers of the RAF and the police who were probably trying to bring the situation under control at that point in time now. But this is what remains, and I'll just in fact get you more pictures of how things are as we go right inside the hospital. Yes, thank you. Sanjay, if you could just come over right here and just give our viewers a sense of how things are at this point in time. This is in fact the HCCU department of the hospital for nurses, and also the critical care office comes to HCCU working lab. It says working lab, and look at these pictures. Let's come inside and we'll show you how it looks like at this point in time now. Completely broken, where this area is essentially used for patients who are suffering, for those who need medical care, medical attention. But this is how it has been completely ransacked at this point in time. Take a look at these pictures coming in from the working lab, essentially, where once again I'll get you these pictures of the fridge, which has been overturned here, turned upside down, completely destroyed. The big question is, did the police not have the information about this mob that had gathered? 4,000 to 5,000 people is what many doctors have told us who were protesting, that there were many people. What about the intelligence then? How was that missing? How was this allowed is the big question here. Attempt is to hijack the protest is what many of the doctors and the junior residents here, the interns who've also worked with the victim, many of them have told us the attempt was to create a situation to give a bad name to our protest, to our genuine demands that there has to be justice for the victim. This is what the doctors essentially are telling us. This is what remains of the reception area, what used to be a reception area until a few hours ago of the RG Kar Emergency Center. Ironically, look at the boards that have been put up here. Be cool. Patient is our God. Behave properly with doctors. Service with smile. That's what these boards read. Ironically, and look at the situation right here at the hospital where we are right now at this point in time. These are pictures of the emergency ward of the hospital. This is the cardiopulmonary department, the CPR room essentially, where patients in an emergency situation are brought in. This is essential medicine that is lying right around here. A stretcher which has been turned upside down, just like the situation here. If I could just get Sanjay to bring in the visuals of the medicines that are lying around here, completely unusable. Take a look at these pictures. This is how things are. They, in fact, destroyed medicines, also broke the bottles of medicines here. There are syringes, there's medical equipment, there are various other things that have been rendered unusable by the mobs here. Damage worth crores of rupees in this particular emergency ward. Adhesive tapes used for patients here, for IV. Look at this, completely strewn around. They came with the intention clearly to destroy and to derail the peaceful protests that were going on. Or else there is no reason to leave this like that, the way they have. Look at the CCTV cameras that remain here. These are CCTV cameras which would have given important clues as to who these protesters, or rather these gundas, I won't call them protesters because the protesters are the ones who are protesting peacefully for the victim. But these were gundas who came here with the intention to create problems. CCTVs that have been broken, and there are such CCTVs in the vicinity of this particular area. There are many such cameras that have now been completely broken. Saline rods which have also been broken. This is where the patients were admitted. This is the cardiology emergency. Anybody with a cardiac arrest or with cardiological problems would come here. The monitor here used to gauge various parameters of the patients, again completely broken, as you can see in these pictures. Furthermore, this is the emergency ward. I'll just take you through the corridor. It's completely dark because, like I showed you, there are several electricity points that have been pulled out of the socket, and that's the reason why there's complete darkness here. There's also water here because the pipes from the bathrooms, the washrooms have been broken. This is how it looks like at this point in time right now. Like I said, damage worth crores and crores of rupees. In fact, this is the nurses' changing room where the nurses were, and many of them ran out when the mob ran in, essentially. This is what remains of it. There are nurses also looking at the situation as to what remains. आप लोग यहाँ पर थे कल रात को?
मॉर्निंग में था।
मॉर्निंग में क्या अभी आपको लग रहा है ये सिचुएशन देख के? क्या उम्मीद
बहुत
थी
ही
कि
खराब
ऐसा कुछ होगा?
नहीं, ऐसी कोई उम्मीद तो थी नहीं।
पेशेंट्स को नुकसान है इसमें, पेशेंट्स
बाड़ी लोग, हमारे आम जनता।
I mean, this was not something that was expected. These were peaceful protests, and who led to this situation? Who resorted to this vandalism is the question that these nurses here are asking. Many of them disappointed. Obviously, they work here. This is their workplace. And to see their workplace in this situation and the kind of repercussions it would have on the well-being of the patients here, who have, in fact, who will eventually suffer, won't they? Given that this is an important medical hospital in Kolkata city, where patients from many other parts of West Bengal would come here and get medical attention. The nurses here completely upset about what they see right now. Many of them, like you just heard, have just come back to duty, and this is what they say. This is a new ward, and this was inaugurated. This is not what they expected, but unfortunately, this is what really remains of the RG Kar Medical Hospital. Our focus continues to be the vandalism that was seen at the RG Kar Hospital late last night. We're getting you up to speed with all the details as far as the investigation in the gruesome rape, gang rape and murder of the young trainee doctor at the RG Kar Medical Center is concerned. The emergency ward, like we said, has been completely vandalized, and there's been a big political blame game that has also started. In the midst of all of this, we have some news just coming in. Let's take a look. Leader of the opposition, Bharatiya Janata Party leader from West Bengal, Shubhendu Adhikari, says he's written now to the central government, talking about the situation in the state of Bengal, particularly the affairs vis-a-vis last night as to what happened here, asking the central government to intervene immediately. He's tweeted about this. Kolkata police allowed culprits, he says, and I'm reading from the tweet, established their fiefdom of crime and now allowing TMC goons to stomp upon the whole premises to destroy evidence and scare the protesting doctors. I have written to the Honorable Home Secretary and Honorable Director CBI regarding the vandalism that took place at the RG Kar Medical College and Hospital, requested them to deploy central armed paramilitary forces to prevent further destruction of evidence at the RG Kar Hospital, is what he says. Going straight across to Ritik for more details on that big story. He's joining me live right now from the RG Kar Medical Center. The BJP escalating this issue, and rightly so, Ritik, given the situation, but the police completely clueless about the situation late last night. We were all here. We saw how they absolutely had no idea about what was going on. This obviously was a failure on the part of the administration, failure on the part of the state intelligence as well, and that's the reason why Central Armed Forces must be deployed to prevent further incidents of this nature, says the BJP. Ritik.
Definitely, possibly this reason the police have issued several images they have captured on CCTV camera and mobile footages to identify the miscreants who did ruckus yesterday, late last night at RG Kar Medical College and Hospital. This is a huge demand for deployment of central forces from the opposition party, that is BJP precisely, is being raised. But we know tomorrow is a big day for Bharatiya Janata Party. Not only that, the leader of the opposition wrote to the central minister seeking intervention, but also they are going to hit the street tomorrow. Let me tell you, there will be several political programs that have been called by the opposition party BJP. One to Gherao the residence of the chief ministers, and definitely they are going to march to Kalighat, which is precisely the residence of the chief minister Mamata Banerjee, and they are also going to Gherao the health department headquarter at Salt Lake. Tomorrow, BJP supporters have been ordered to stage dharna at and roadblocks across the state. So they are demanding justice, and they are also demanding the resignation of the chief minister, who is the health minister and police minister as well. So pressures are mounting, be it political pressures, and the citizens, they are also demanding justice. It would be interesting to see what happens next, how the government reacts. But Mamata Banerjee blamed BJP and left for the hooliganism that had happened last night at RG Kar Hospital. Back to you, Sneha.
All right. Ritik, I'm going to thank you for the moment, for getting us up to speed with those details. Of course, we're going to keep coming back to you for more on that big story that you're tracking very closely. Now for this report. Now, is this a cover-up? It does appear from the very beginning, from the word go, the minute this crime was reported, it did appear that there was some attempt to cover up. Last night, what we're picking up is that the goons tried to enter the seminar hall of the RG Kar Hospital, where the victim's body was found, essentially the crime scene. The attempt there was to destroy the evidence on the 3rd floor. However, this was a failed attempt, thankfully, is what we are picking up. The Kolkata police says that the scene of crime has not been tampered with. The CBI has just, in fact, looked into this case and also has visited the crime scene. Here's a complete report.
First, a renovation near the crime scene. Now, vandalism at the RG Kar Hospital, where a doctor was brutally raped and murdered. The vandalism and renovation gave way to charges of cover-up attempt. And amid much outrage, Kolkata top cop defended the police investigation.
We have never said that there is only one person. We said we are waiting for scientific evidence. We are waiting for scientific evidence. It takes a bit of a time. When the accused is not breaking, accused is constantly saying one thing, and we don't have anything to support. I cannot just on some kind of a rumor arrest a young PG student. I cannot do this.
His statement came at a time when Mamata Banerjee government and the hospital were being accused of botching up the horrific rape and murder case. The top cop insisted that the police have done no wrong in the case of rape and murder of the young doctor that sparked massive protests.
I'm angry. I'm extremely angry at what has happened. Why? We have not done anything wrong. And we are, because of this malicious media campaign, Calcutta police has lost the trust of the people. Because of this, whether it is a social media and this.
Adding to the TMC woes, a party leader appeared to downplay the brutal rape and murder.
एक स्टेट बताइए, एक स्टेट जहां पे रेप नहीं हुआ, एक स्टेट बताइए, एक। फर्क ये है भाजपा का स्टेट में और पहले लेफ्ट का स्टेट में कोई चीफ मिनिस्टर इतना एक्शन नहीं, विक्टिम का घर में चला नहीं गया। ममता दीदी ये करता है।
The BJP trained guns on Mamata Banerjee, claiming that her party is on the plot to destroy evidence in the case.
দফা 1 দাবি 1 মমতা ব্যানার্জির পদত্যাগ। কালকে 2000 বিশেষ সম্প্রদায়ের লোককে জড়ো করে ডাক্তারি ছাত্রদের উপর আক্রমণ করেছে। ক্ষমার অযোগ্য।
The Congress too lashed out at the Bengal chief minister.
असलियत उजागर ना हो, इसलिए बंगाल के मुख्यमंत्री हर संभव प्रयास करते रहेगी। बंगाल के पुलिस बल सीबीआई को मदद नहीं करेगी, ये मेरा आशंका है, और वो भी बंगाल के मुख्यमंत्री के इशारे पे, क्योंकि वो नहीं चाहते कि उनकी पार्टी और सरकार की भंडाफोड़ जाए।
On a day when India is celebrating Independence Day, our women are on the streets fighting for their safety. With Sneha Mordani and Indrajit Kundu in Kolkata, Bureau Report, India Today.
Focus continues to be on that big story that we're tracking from Kolkata. With that, it's an end, a wrap to this edition. You can find that report, our detailed ground reports and much more up on our website. That's indiatoday.in, or download the India Today app. Thank you so much for watching.